Why it will be tomorrow? Normally it's today, but why it will be tomorrow? Because there is some small issue that let me open my Revit so to show you this issue. You can hear me, right?
Yes.
So this is the issue. You know, if you zoom here on your AutoCAD 3D, even though I asked you to follow this AutoCAD 3D design, especially regarding the elevations, as you can see here, for example, there is an opening, and here also there is an opening. All these are mistakes. Even this here, there is an opening. This window is not, this window is not aligned with this one, and therefore there is an opening. This beam has been moved a little bit. Columns, same thing. They are not really, you see, there is kind of a gap here. So all these are mistakes. It's like, I'm not really sure what happened to the model, but there are mistakes. So you should not model like this in this elevation. Basically, only this elevation has these issues. That's why if you go to CN, if you go to CN to our subject, I gave you another 3D AutoCAD. Here, if you go to important, please do this first. You'll find this one. Please use this 3D AutoCAD. So this one has no problem. If you import it to your Revit, this one, if you download it and you import it to your Revit, you will find it like this. See, it's very clean. All these problems, they don't exist. So this wall didn't move, this one, this big wall. Same thing, like for example, this window is aligned with this one. So this means you will need to download it to make things correct like this. If I go to this elevation, though, this one is the west elevation. As you can see, they are very similar, so there is no gap here, and there is no gap here. That's why I'm giving you additional 1 day just to fix this elevation. So submission will be tomorrow, Saturday, 7 p.m. Are you happy with this?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay. So this is one thing. And in this elevation, if you see in this 3D, you see there is kind of window, special window, not simple window like this one. There is window which has kind of more frames, even the inside. In this case, usually we need to model the window itself. We need to like the model this specific window. If you don't find it in the internet to download it, of course, it's hard to find the window exactly with these dimensions in the internet. So you have to model it. But for this assignment, now we need to model the window. You just use small windows like this student has done. So use small windows and put them aligned together. Of course, you try to follow the dimensions, but this is enough. So again, to remind you, this assignment, you have to submit walls. You have to model walls, interior and exterior. Of course, no need for the stair here. I'm not talking about this, just forget about this one. So you need walls, interior, exterior, doors, and windows, floors, and roof. When I say roof, so this one and this one should exist. Walls, same thing. And you have to be careful. Some students, they modeled this, but they didn't keep an opening here, because normally here there's an opening. Here, as you can see, there is a stair like this, and basically, normally there should be a door here, I think. But at least you keep it open, because otherwise we cannot. It's not a roof. Here there's an opening, so the stairs can. It's like a staircase here. It's continued in order to get outside to the roof, because this roof is accessible, so you can get on top of this roof. I'm not really sure. Maybe the door is here, not here. But anyway, the opening should exist. So should be open here. All right. So these basically 2 or 3 things that you have to know. Another thing, this one is more important actually, what I'm about to say now. If you miss this, you will lose marks automatically, even though it's very basic thing. So what you have to do actually, let's say you open Revit like this, what you have to do, you have to go, for example, you're in the 3D view, you have to go down here. Sorry, let's say this is my, so you go down. When you see course code here you write your name. For example, my name is like this, you just write your name. And of course you have to click apply then. Sometimes you have to write that twice, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, let me write only the key. Apply. So now I can see it here. Or of course you have to write your full name. No need to write your ID. So every student has to do this. You write your name. All right. I think this is all.
So do we have to do the chimney? No, right?
No need for the chimney. Next assignment. All right. Now, if you have any questions, you let me know in the chat, and
So
then
I had one small question.
you have to write in the chat first. So I follow the sequence. So anybody has question, you have to. Many already they. Okay, I will start by the first one. Pong Jia Jun. Pong Jia Jun. And I want to play a game also. I want to. If you want to get free mark, you can. If a student asks a question and if someone else can help him, if this student who is helping the other one, if he can help he can solve 3 problems of same student or different student, he will get 1 mark.
Yeah.
So 3, and it should be professional, not 50-50. So I will ask okay, yeah, Ponjiajun to explain the issue, his issue. If someone has the solution 3 times, he will get 1 mark for assignment 1. All right, please, Ponjiajun.
Yes.
What is the issue?
I want you to help me to check my Rabbit 3D.
Okay, so this is not a question. So the first one, as you can see, I was explaining that this model has a problem here. So you should not follow this model. Okay, 1 second, please. I will share my screen to show you. I will stop sharing your screen. I will share mine.
Sir?
If you
Sir?
go.
Sir, I want to ask one thing. You gave us the new 3D. We
Yeah,
have to use that one, right? Use that one instead of the old one.
Use that one only for the west elevation. No need to delete. You just keep the other one also, because you did dimensions already. So I want to see those dimensions.
So we only use that one for the west elevation. Okay.
Yeah, probably, yeah. So please, if you see the images, you Ponge one also. So if you see the real building, as you can see, it's not moving, or it's okay. So if you see the real building, there is no opening. I told you the 3D has problems. So do you think, okay, share your screen. I think it's clear what I'm mentioning here.
Okay.
Share your screen again.
I can't.
Share, you can now. Sometimes you have at least to use your mind, because do you think if we sell a house for you like this and there is an opening here, please don't move to show you. See this opening? So basically rain from here. If there is rain, so all the rain will enter to your staircase and it will go to your bedroom and your kitchen, and your wife will be very angry.
So I should close the things here.
Yeah, you should close. Do you think it's okay? Even without telling you there is a problem, normally you can notice this, because we architects, we are not just modeling for, it's what we are modeling will be brick, will be floors, will be walls, and things should be rational at least.
Okay. Thanks.
So basically, okay, as I can see here, for example, this window is okay, even though in the model it's not okay, but you made it okay here. It's like you are using your logic here, but here you didn't fix it, so you have to fix it. Can you rotate more? Rotate, rotate. What about the roof here?
Oh, haven't done yet.
Yeah, you have to do that. But overall, it's okay.
Okay.
Just try to fix this elevation. So maybe you need to import the other AutoCAD 3D from CN. You have to download it.
Okay.
All right. Is this all for you?
Yes.
Oh, JJ.
Okay, good. So who's next? 1 second. Next is Lay Carvin. Sir, can you please check mine? Okay, I will check yours. Lay Carvin. To make it clear, always make it shaded in order to see, because it's sometimes hard to see the issues. Okay, make it consistent color, because I can see it's make it consistent color instead of. Okay, now it's clear. Are you sure? Are you sure? Go back to the other. Please don't rotate quickly. Just you actually did a big mistake here. Well, somehow. Can you show me the whole model? Like, it's like elevation like this. Can you unzoom? Okay, zoom out. Are you sure? Are you sure this part of the building is in that location? Compare it to the 3D of AutoCAD. Is it correct? Yeah. So, yeah, it's a mistake. Same thing. You have to add the roof here. And Rafat Nushad, we can hear the music. It's not party here. Okay. And this one, are you sure the height is the same as the section? Did you measure the section or the 3D, that one? Please don't delete the 2D drawings in your Revit. Just hide them in case you don't need them. But when you are about to submit, you make them visible. Okay, why you don't talk? You are keep writing messages. Can you talk? My mic got problem. Oh my god. Okay. So for the safety of your colleagues, you are just writing messages. Anyway, can you orbit more? Can you orbit? Okay, 1 second. Do you think, once I stop here, do you think there is a floor there? I can see it's not open, it's closed. So I see floor, so it's a mistake. You just select the floor and then you edit the boundary. from here. Yeah, it's better to do it in, yeah. Okay, I think you can fix this. So you have to model it like this. You have to delete these lines. Okay, I think you can do this. You don't have any other questions, so I can see other students. Check my windows. It's okay. It's okay to have some issues. Actually, I like actually to reduce some marks for the students. Come on, you want to get 30 out of 30? It's good to lose some marks. Your windows are okay. I didn't notice any problem. So when it comes to the day of judgment, I will I will see more. All right, I think I can jump to the next student. Hey, you did good, don't worry. Okay, who is next? So, who is next? Irika Wong. So it's clear, same thing, Irika. You have these problems because okay, you brought the new one. Okay, good. So now you see, it's very clear that there's problem here. But I'm wondering why they didn't ask, is it possible to have a house like this opening there in the roof? If there is rain, your house will be bathroom, not a house. Shower.
Sir, can you please help me check?
Yeah, I think it's okay. You orbit more. What about the what about, for example, the thickness of the lower floor? Did you consider?
This one?
Yeah.
160.
I'm not sure. You have to compare it to the section because thickness or height is always the section.
It's 160.
It should be the same as the section.
Hold on.
Please don't remove the section AA from your drawing. Just hide it in case you want to see things clear. I think it's okay.
Yeah, it's the same.
Okay, good. Go back to 3D.
It's in 3D.
One second. You see here, normally there is something, because otherwise people, they will die from this, or they will commit suicide from this area.
Oh, but then there is nothing over here.
What do you mean there's nothing?
In the 3D, there's like the
This is,
thing.
you
Or is
call,
it not?
you call this nothing? Go to the
Oh.
3D.
This?
This, you call this nothing?
Which one? This one?
This line.
Oh, what? Oh, okay. Okay.
Mm,
How, what, can I know how to do that?
it's anyway, it's not a big issue. It's a minor issue, but if you want me to show you how to do that, actually you can go to the roof plan, roof roof level. Yeah, zoom. Well, even though it's not compulsory, but anyway, I will show you. Zoom more. Okay. Maybe, yeah, maybe you take this wall part and you push it a little bit, because I can see there is.
Oh, it's connected.
So what you did here, is it an opening here or what?
Yeah.
Can you select the opening?
No, it's like, because it's like one plane of wall.
No, but there is an opening. And how did you create that opening?
I cut it.
How did you cut it? You edit the profile?
Yeah.
Hmm. So maybe you need to edit the profile again and you make it precise, but no problem. Don't do this now, maybe after that. So
Okay.
how to make that line like this? Basically, you can use railing. If you go to architecture, go to architecture. See, there is this railing, yes. It's very simple railing, just one line. No, go back. If you want to
Okay.
understand, just hover on it will show you how things work. Stop. You see, it will show you an example of this railing. So you can just select, click on, yeah, okay. And as you can see, you have the tools that you can use to draw. You just select a line, it's already has been selected, and you can draw a line from here to the end.
Here to here.
Yeah, but maybe you make it inside. Okay, draw and then move it, make it inside. No, just the end here.
Okay.
Before you approve, make it inside, make it like here.
Oh, okay.
No. Press K. Okay, move it now. Try to approve. See in 3D.
Oh, okay.
Of course, now if you, yeah, because you can, of course, you can decrease the. If you select it, you will see the offset and all these things. Try to select it. No, just select. You should not double click.
Yeah.
Okay, you select it. You see there is base offset. This one.
Uh-huh.
It's like you make an offset, so it will increase in height. I think it's maybe 40 centimeters, 0.4 or something. And of course,
Okay.
you can remove this element if you. I mean, if you select it, if you go to edit type, you will see all these parameters if you want to have these things. But anyway, it's not compulsory for this assignment to do the railing. It's
Okay.
just it's not compulsory, but it's even if you keep it like this, it's okay.
Okay.
So please, you have to fix the big issue here in this elevation here.
This one?
Yes. This opening should be fixed. I think overall is okay. Continue rotating the orbit in the drawing. Do you think there is a wall here?
Where?
Here.
Oh, okay. Then I'll
I'm
remove
not.
this.
I think there is. I'm not sure. You have to be careful. I think yeah. I think there's a wall.
Where's wall?
Okay, so you know better than me. So if everything is okay, so.
Sir, for this, is this a door or a window? Because on the floor plan, it's like a door. But when you go to the 3D, it's like a glass door or a window.
I know there is some issue. Normally, I think it's a door because otherwise, how can we get to this terrace? You
Is
have
it
to-
okay if I change the door, like wooden door to glass door?
Yeah, but this one is not a door now. This one is a window.
So
Even
this is a window.
yeah, if you select it. So
Uh-huh.
that no, sorry, it's a door. So you changed the door wood to glazing or what you did? Because I see
Yeah,
it. Ah,
I changed it to the glass door.
okay, good then. Good.
So this is correct.
That's correct, right?
So I'll just change the frame to glass then, instead of wood.
No, the frame should be, I think it's wood or aluminium, but we don't really care about the material for this.
Okay.
Maybe, anyway, you made it glazing, it's better since it's everything is glazed actually in that.
Oh, and this one as well, right? This window or door. I think it's a door.
There is door normally, yes. Since,
Yeah, this one also is a glass door.
it's good to see the images. Because in the images I gave you this elevation image actually, real picture.
Okay.
But I think the door was open that time. So you try to make things logic. So you have to follow the logic also because it's not your design. We know it's existing building. So basically, you have to see the images and you make things logic. You should not keep this mistake, for example, here. Overall, it's okay, I think.
Okay, then I'll just have to change this part.
I think so. Yes.
That means this whole thing is going to be like one.
No. This opening. The problem is in this opening. Should not be open there.
This one?
Yes.
Stand it up.
Well, it should not be open.
Oh,
You have
okay.
to, yeah, I explained, and you have to see the images, and you have to see the 3D, the new 3D, as you can see.
Okay.
All right, so I think I can jump
Thank
to the
you.
next student. Welcome. Who is next? Oh my God. Okay, I thought it's a very long list. So, Rafat Nushad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You want to share your screen?
I would. Can I choose not to right now? I'll just send you on snipping tool, like the progress. It's not so good.
Why you don't want to share your screen?
Mm,
Are you shy or what?
just today, like
it's your problem anyway.
No,
Tomorrow.
I just like I just need to know, like, is it necessary to keep the flow levels like in positive, like the lower and the middle one? Because it was coming -4 meters and then -2 meters and then positive for the rest floors, roof level and upper level.
Actually, middle level should be 0, 0. Why
Uh-huh.
it should be 0, 0? Because it's like the level of the ground, and even the access, the main entrance to the building is in the middle level, so it should be 0, 0. And lower
Alright.
level, of course, automatically it will be minus, and the other ones, upper and middle, they will be positive. Yeah.
So do we just like enter the value into the level, like 0, 0 in the middle level? When we open it on the elevation or something, you see the flow lining.
Yeah, you have to enter, yeah. You have to change it to 0, 0. But I'm wondering why you are not sharing your screen. It's not easy like this to help you.
I think I understood. I just wanted to clear that query. That's all. That's like a question. Nothing.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, who is next? So, Rafat Shankamun. Where is Shankamun? Expert in Revit 2020. Where is Shankamun? Okay.
Can you help me to check whether I'm doing it right or wrong?
Can you zoom, because it's very far? It's like we are in a helicopter watching your project, so you have to zoom. As I mentioned many times, it's always good to make it shaded so we can see clearly, because white and black, sometimes you cannot see things.
I'm not sure how to do the
Shaded?
color one.
It's in the visual style here.
Oh. Then, oh, okay. Like that?
Yeah, like this, yeah. But normally since you have the 3D, you can compare actually. Show both of them. Just pan to, so we can show both of them. Okay, you see, it's clearly there is a mistake here.
Oh, yeah.
And of course, you still didn't model the roof, so it's totally different.
Okay.
And is there any mistake in this work, Rafat? Can you help me to make correction? Or did you go to the kitchen? Rafat? He has gone to the kitchen. Okay, yeah, I forgot. You have to switch on cameras, all of you. Rafat, Nushad. Oh, these guys. Do you think this area is the same as this area?
It's the same. Is there any different?
Yes, try to zoom a little bit.
Is there an opening?
Yes, there is an opening.
Oh, okay.
There's an opening and basically there is a railing even in this side here if you, as I mentioned to your colleague.
Where is it? Sorry.
If you rotate to the other side, if you orbit to the other side, you will see it. Please try to learn how to orbit using shift and the middle of the mouse. Try shift and the middle of the mouse. Okay, orbit now. Shift and the middle, press both of them. Keep pressing both of them. And the middle, press the middle. Okay, okay, you're orbiting already. Okay. Yeah. I mentioned show the 3D of AutoCAD. So these are the issues basically, so you have to fix them. You see, for example, this student, even though there is an opening here, which is a mistake here, but at least she did it right because she's using her mind. I think this is overall, these are the issue. Even here, as you can see, there is a mistake in the 3D, but you did it correct here. So a student should be like this. Doesn't mean anything you see, you just repeat and that's it. You have to be critical somehow. You have to criticize why is that it's not possible. You have to ask questions. So I gave you some remarks. Is that enough for you? Can you correct them? So here,
What I have to do is I do the roof and then I do the openings here, and then
this one also,
and then
this small roof also.
where is it? Oh yeah, I do this roof, and then here I fix it, and then I do the openings here. That's it, right?
What about here? Zoom
Any
there.
mistake?
Zoom there. Do you think there is a floor here? So what is the function of this? If there is walls and then there is roof, what people will do here? I think you're wrong. So please check the go to the middle level. Go to the middle level.
Okay.
I mentioned, okay, zoom. Yeah, this is the last time I will show this thing. I will not keep letting you know all the mistakes. So if anybody is not following what I'm saying here, if you show me your project and I see you, I will just ignore this error. So at least I can redact some marks from, because you are not focusing. So now I will let you know that when we see X like this in architecture in the floor plan, it means there is no floor. It should be open there. Same thing, go to the upper level. You see here, why it's open here? Because there is X here. When you see X, it means there is no floor. This is in architecture what you do. See X with discontinued line. So you have to understand this, all of you. I will not repeat this. If anybody show me this mistake, I will just ignore it. At least I can reduce some marks. Otherwise, you will get all of you A. All right. Well, I can see the doors also. I think it's okay. Overall, it's okay. Yeah. Please try to fix the issues that I told you about.
Okay.
Is that all? All right,
Thank you.
welcome. So after that, where is Rafat? He's not here? Rafat Nushad,
Yes, yes, yes.
where did you go?
I just went up. I
Why?
heard you.
You switch on your camera, you switch on your camera. Shalimoon, why you are not switching your camera? Shalimoon. Lim Hui. Okay, you have to switch please your camera. I'm losing energy when I keep saying switch on your camera, switch on your camera. You are taking my energy. Yan Xen. You don't have camera? Lim Wen Fong. Hamizul. And well, too many actually, they are not switching camera. Switch camera, please. Switch on camera. Thank you. Switch on camera. So who is next? Erika, Rafat, Chan Kimon. Chan Shiyi, switch on your camera and share your screen. Okay, so we agreed that I will not mention again about that floor opening. If I see another student has this problem, I will not mention that because I explained many times. Chan Shiyi, are you here?
Yeah. Yes.
Switch on camera and share screen.
I share already.
Really?
Yeah. I using.
I cannot see it.
You
Ah,
need
sorry,
to.
it's here. Sorry, it's here. Ah, it's, sorry. 1 second. Okay, so what are your questions?
I don't know how to build this.
What is this?
And the roof here. This one.
The roof?
Here. This one.
The roof or what?
This. Yeah.
The roof or the floor?
Roof.
But now you are drawing the floor, I can see.
This one.
This one is floor.
Oh, okay.
So you mean the floor or the roof?
Floor.
Roof?
Floor.
Floor?
Yeah.
So what is the issue? It's okay what you're doing. It's okay. Yes, you are expert actually in drawing roofs. Sorry, floors.
So.
Why you are deleting them? They are correct.
Huh? I didn't delete anything. Can you help me check my
Yep.
windows or what?
Yeah, but now I can see you are drawing the roof, the floor. What can I check? I can see you are drawing. The
I
floor.
didn't move. I didn't draw anything.
Ah, sorry. Oh my God, sorry. I'm seeing the another screen. Sorry. Ah, sorry. I'm very sorry. I was in Shankamoon because she didn't stop sharing screen. Okay, sorry. Okay. I think show me the 3D. Show me. I mean orbit, please, so I can see things clearly.
Mr. Takif, should I stop sharing?
Yeah, just stop sharing. Yes, since I'm going one by one. So what is the issue, Shanxi?
I don't know how to build this thing.
Yeah, that one is easy. You need, for the roof, you need to create another, you have to go to the elevation and you have to create another roof. I mean, you have to create another level. You have to go to the elevation.
This one. Eh?
This is not
Hey.
elevation. Yeah. Okay. Actually, you have to you have to follow the section. You see, you have to create elevation with the height of the section. But actually,
Yeah.
but you have to be careful. This one should be aligned first. They are not aligned.
Oh, okay.
So you have to align this, and after that you create this elevation of, and you call it roof 2 maybe. So this one is roof 1, the main one, and then roof 2. When you have roof 2 here, if you have here, you will have roof 2. So you can go to roof 2 and you can draw your the shape of roof 2.
Okay.
And for the walls, it's simple. Since you have the drawing of the site, I think site or
Side.
no, I mean
Right.
no. If you go to the upper level, go to upper level. Sorry, the roof level, roof level.
Roof level.
You have to know where the walls on top of the roof. I think it's kind of this. So you have to find a way to know the dimension of that part of the roof, of the walls.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, and you model them. Many students, they did it already.
Okay. Can
you show me?
What?
Okay, can you orbit?
Sorry?
Can you orbit? Orbit. You rotate.
I need to change the windows, right? I mean here.
Yeah, you have to make, this one, it should not be big window. You should make small windows together, like here. Like you can see it here in the 3D AutoCAD.
Just now you show us that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you model these windows here?
Yeah. Yeah.
The small ones here, these ones.
Small one. Oh, okay. Later I build the windows.
Yeah, but overall it's okay. It's okay. Overall it's okay. You have to see this one also. And
Where?
yeah. And this part of the floor should not exist. This one.
Okay.
You may need to take notes, because otherwise you may forget. So this one is not good. It's not good thing. You have to fix this one. And yeah, overall it's okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. All right, who is next? Who is next is Shankamoon. You already okay. Sir, can you check mine? We have seen Shankamoon already. So now Priscilla. Okay, I can see your work. So any questions?
Hello. I'm really confused right now. So basically we're supposed to follow this new model, right? because then like everything is so much more smaller. So does this mean I have to change all of my windows and stuff?
Can you show me an example which is smaller? You mean
Like-
you mean if you compare both 3D of AutoCAD, they have different dimensions?
I mean like this is my model that I built from the old 3D model. Then this one is the new 3D model, which is like shorter and stuff. Even the windows are different. So does that mean I need to kind of redo all my windows and stuff?
Can you show me the 3 models in the same time? So maybe you just pan. No, just stay here. Just show me. Okay, stop. You see, you have okay. No, first of all, I don't want to see like there is big part of the wall here, because if you see the pictures, there is it's like they are really almost they are in the
Right.
same line, the frame, the both frames of the windows, even in the pictures, if you see the pictures. So maybe you need to fix at least this one. Now
Okay.
if I see, so basically based on what you said, these windows, you are following these ones, yes?
Yeah.
I think it's easy for this windows, for example. You can fix it. It's easy. You just change the size and maybe you use this reference plan. Yeah, I think it will not take time. Try to follow for this elevation. Try to follow what is happening in the new one.
Okay.
You just change the size and maybe you move a little bit. That's it. Because this 3D elevation is totally has too many problems actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. So try please to follow this one. Can you go back to 3D and show me what you? Who is this Aziz, RP Aziz coming now? Try to make it shaded to see things clearer. Make it consistent color. Okay. Okay. Can you zoom? Can you zoom slowly? Sorry, I mean rotate. Sorry, rotate. Orbit. Always try to select something and orbit. Before you orbit, select something so the camera will orbit around that thing. Select something. Select anything and orbit. Do you hear me?
I do, but I.
Select. You didn't select anything actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when you select something, you can orbit easily. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, good. It's okay. I think. Hopefully there is the doors are inside also.
Okay. So I basically have to change some of the windows.
Yeah, and here there's an issue also. This one, if you compare it to this,
Mhm.
or I'm wrong. No, I think it's correct. Sorry, I think it's correct. It's correct. You did the doors, yes? The doors, they are inside.
The inside one, not yet. I haven't finished it yet.
Okay, so I have to see the doors inside also.
I've only done this one and then that one
Yeah, you can work on
and the
them.
back.
Yeah, you still have time. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, well,
Okay.
welcome. So I will jump to the next.
Okay. Okay.
Welcome. Yongka Lim.
So can I know how to build this part?
Sorry, again, what is the question?
Can I know how to build this part, the roof part?
You don't know how to do it, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, I will mention this for last time also. So if anybody has the same problem, they have to follow here. Otherwise, if I see you have problem, I will not let you know that you have problem, or they have to see now. In Yongka Lim. So basically, you need additional level, because here we have the floor, the roof, the main one, and after that we will need the second roof. You call it roof 2 or something, which means you have to go to the elevation and you create another level.
Elevation. How to create another level?
Come on, you did all this thing and you don't know how to create another level? Is it you who modeled this one?
Yeah. Elevation.
How did you create all these levels? You forgot? Same thing.
I follow the video.
So when you follow the video, you just close your eyes, you don't use your mind?
I forgot already.
But you should not forget these important things. Shanxi, can you let her know how to create a new level?
I haven't do it. I do another thing.
But I explained to you, you asked the same question actually.
Huh?
You asked the same question, how to create a new level? You know normally, you know that. How to create a new level? Can you help her?
Huh? Later I teach her. Can
Who has the answer? Please, can you help her? I think I need to do a quiz for you also, not just assignment. I need to do a quiz, so those who don't remember these things, they will get bad marks.
You can just go to architecture and then it's over there on the right level.
Yeah, you see? You should not forget these things. They are very important. You cannot start any project if you don't know these basic things. And then you call it, I don't know, roof 2 or something. You can rename it. You can even click, you can press F2 to rename. F2. Or yeah. So now, as you can see, you don't see anything. It's confusing. So in order to see, at least, since you are in order to see, for example, the main roof level, because now we are in roof 2, yes?
Yes.
And you don't have anything to follow in order to be able to draw this these elements. So you have to go to roof 2 again, go to roof 2. And from here, you go here and you drag, go down, scroll down. No, scroll, no, yeah. Go to underlay. There is something called underlay. Slowly, you have to move slowly. How can you move this fast? Here. No, go up. Okay, that one. Select, click the drop down list. Try to make it roof, so you will be able to see what is happening in the roof. See, now you can see what is happening in the roof level, which means you will be able to follow these walls. In the same time, sorry. Sorry, these walls, they have to be drawn in the, it's better to draw them in the roof, the main roof, but the roof itself, roof number 2, you have to draw it here. So you can model the roof here. You can just select roof and you make a rectangle or square like this. Roof.
So I just draw a square.
Yeah.
Uh,
You can use square here. It's already here. No need to do it one by one. No, but you are drawing wall. You should draw a roof here because you have to be careful for the wall. The walls, they should be, just click the first one. Click this one. It should be in the end, actually, in the end. Even the other side, it should be in the corner, not the. You can draw already. Yeah. But this one, it should not. There should be no slope, actually. You can approve now. Click yes. Well, anyway, it still has slope. We'll go to the 3D. So actually, you can select again and make it 0, the slope. You select the roof again and you make it 0.
make it 0.
Okay, for the walls you did them already, but maybe the thickness I think is correct compared, because the thickness is from the section, not, you should not follow the 3D. And as you can see here, this one you still didn't finish this one.
So
and here also there's an opening. There should be no opening here. How this means if somebody is going to enter your house, he will die in that hole here. Yeah, here there's a hole now.
Okay.
You want visitors to die here or what?
And so for this part, how to make it?
How to make what?
This part.
Okay, can you show me what you did in? So you have to know how to make it this one. Basically, first of all, there should be wall here. And can you show me both? Because I'm not seeing them both. Stop. Actually, you have to find a way to how to model it. Since you modeled all these things, how can you not be able to model this? As you can see, the roof also has an opening here. So you have to do it. Normally, you know how to do it, since you modeled all these things.
Okay.
So, you know, for the roof, you can, it is the boundary and you make this opening. So you follow this opening like this. For the wall, this wall, you drag it until here, you stop it here. So it will be like this. And after that, you draw another wall, big wall like this. So all these things, you know how to do them.
Okay.
Yes, and please fix this one also. But overall, it's okay. I think there is a window here also.
Window.
I think, yes. If you compare, I think there is a window here.
So for this one, my window, I don't know why got a wall over here to block the window.
Select that wall.
So let's say, select this wall. I can't find where's the wall.
Select this wall. This one. In order to select the wall, now you will select the window. You can keep pressing tab until you see you will be able to tab.
Insert.
You know what is tab? Yes, T-A-T. Yeah. You have to bring your mouse here. You should not click until you see you will be able to select the wall. Okay, there, yeah. No, press tab again.
Can I press?
Anyway, you have to find a way, and this one should be activated actually to be able to select this one. No. Undo. You moved the window. Press undo. No, you just undo since it was correct. No, don't do anything. Press undo. Press this like in Word. This one here. Here. No need to save. No need. Yeah. Okay. Keep it like this. Select this one also here. This one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Try to select the wall, please. This wall. Try to select it. Select. When you see it has been highlighted, you can select. You know, you are selecting the window now. You have to see the wall. It has been highlighted. You slowly do things slowly. You keep pressing tab. When you press tab, Revit will give you the possibilities what you can select. You are rushing. Just look. Put your mouse here. Put your mouse here. Don't move. Put your mouse here. Here.
But I can press tab already.
I said, okay, put the mouse there first. Don't move the mouse. It should be here, the mouse. Do you see where I'm? The mouse should be here.
Yeah.
Okay, press now tab. Press tab once. Click now. Press tab again. Again. Click now. Click. Okay, now you are selecting the wall. You see? So basically, you have to use this arrow actually, and you take it up until here, I think. See, now you can see the window. But anyway, you still have a problem. You have to fix this area. I said many times, normally there's no floor here.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's all for you. I think you maybe took notes of what I mentioned, the issues that you have. You can fix them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Lava goes. Okay, who is next? Welcome. Who is next? So who is next?
Sir,
Yes,
can you check my building?
of course I can.
Can you see
Go.
my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Yes.
Yeah.
Rafat, do you have any comments? Maybe you can comment to this student, since you are expert in Revit. Rafat
So-
Nushad,
Yeah. I
please
was
give.
just unmuting.
Please help me give him some comments, or let me know from where I can reduce some marks for him. Help me, please.
All right. Could you rotate?
Okay.
No, let me say something. First of all, make it shaded so we can see it's shaded.
Yeah. Make it shaded, Tay.
No, shaded, not realistic,
Okay.
shaded.
Mhm.
Or select consistent color because of the sun. It's okay.
Now select the model and rotate.
This one.
Always select the thing that you want the camera to orbit around. Don't select something far. Select your model basically. Select any wall in your model. Yeah, like this, the camera will rotate on that wall basically. See?
Oh.
So any comments, Professor Nushad?
Just the west elevation is wrong.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
So here you have to fix this elevation. As you mentioned, there is an opening here.
Oh, okay.
What else?
Keep rotating. Okay, go down a bit.
Okay.
Move a bit to the left. No, not rotate left, just move the camera. Zoom out. Okay, there's that wall. I don't know if it's supposed to be masonry. Is it? So?
Yeah. This wall should be normal wall.
No,
right?
not that wall. The bottom. Yeah.
This wall, why it's special one? It has, as you can see, texture. It's a red brick.
Oh.
Just keep it as other walls. Why you are creating another wall type?
Change it to masonry.
Huh?
Select it and change it to basic wall.
Yeah, generic.
Generate. Sorry.
You
Yeah,
have
I think it's
the wall.
changed.
Okay. Same thing. Try to zoom here.
Yeah, this space.
I think there is an opening here. It should not be any opening here. Can you zoom more? I cannot see clearly if there is an open, but it should not be an opening here. Okay, go orbit to the north elevation. Sorry, south elevation. Orbit to the south. You have to select something. And in order to pen, you can press the middle. No need to use this one to pen. You can press the middle of the mouse and you drag. See?
Oh.
Yes. So now to orbit the same thing, please use shift and the middle of the mouse. Shift and the middle
Oh.
to orbit. And always select something to orbit around. You didn't select anything. Okay.
So is the railing right? There's a railing there.
Try to go to the south elevation. South elevation, south elevation. I think zoom now, zoom. You see, I think, do you want people to die here also?
Where?
Here. Try to zoom. Is this a trap for the visitors? You
So
see,
this one need to put wall.
I think I think so. You can compare to this. I think it's not similar. Another thing, are you sure there is a floor here? Because normally there is stair here. Same thing here. If you have to check the floor actually, the floor
floor?
and
Until here only, this one step.
okay, good. But here it should not. It should be continued here. The lower level. You can see it's not continued here. And walls here, as I mentioned. Yeah, but overall it's okay. You just need to focus. I'm not sure if here is open like this. Okay, it's open. So please make the railing here, the wall, the small wall.
Yeah.
The small wall here.
Oh, the middle level.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I need to modify this one.
Yeah, the west elevation also. You have to make it correct.
This one. Then other than that, okay, yeah.
Yeah, I think overall it's okay.
Okay.
Good job.
All right, who is next?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Who said, "Sir, please have a light hand on Judgment Day"? Well, it depends.
That was me. That was me.
For sure, those who doesn't open their camera, I will be very tough with them because they are not abiding to the regulations of the class. Okay, who is next? Jacqueline Wong Siu. Wow, it looks very nice. See, from the, it's like things are very, I can see a huge accuracy actually in the modeling. Good. Yeah, very good. I think overall it's okay. Did you, okay, even the doors that are inside, I can see them. Good. Yeah, very good.
Actually, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Actually, I'm not sure about the door height. Is it all considered as wait, is it all considered as 2032 mm?
What did you, I think in the section there is doors, no? In the AutoCAD section.
CAD section.
If you go to the AutoCAD, you can see the height of the doors.
Where can I put my section actually? like see all the door height?
No, I think they have the same height. So if you see any door in the section, you measure it and you consider the height of all doors. They are the same. Can you go to the section? Can you show me the section?
You mean the section box or section?
No. AutoCAD section.
Actually, I hide it, but I don't know how to unhide it.
Okay, good question. So basically, I think you have to go to elevation first, since it's in the elevation, I think.
Any elevation?
I think it's in the east. Go to the
East.
east. Okay, just first of all, you can click on this.
Oh,
Okay, you see this one, it will show you things that have been hidden. As you can see, the title here is
yeah.
reveal hidden elements. So basically, yes, it's hidden, but I'm not sure if you click again here, because there is two ways to hide things. There is temporarily, you hide elements temporarily, or you hide them permanently, but you can bring them. Can you click here on this little glass?
Sure. But
Okay, this means you have hidden the section permanently, which means you need to click this reveal again. Click reveal. Okay, now select the section. Or just no need to bring it back. You just if you can see the maybe you move the section so you can see the doors. Try to move it. Yeah. There is no doors. This one is door already. This one is a door. This
where?
one. Don't move. This one. So basically from here to here. So this one is for the entrance.
Can I just directly measure from
Yeah,
here?
of course.
Okay. Oh, 2000.
So basically, you just use this number for all doors.
Okay, cool. And how just click it back.
Yeah.
Cool. So, and for the, I have one question. Is it this a door?
It's a door, of course. It's the entrance, that one.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it. It's a door.
Yeah. Okay.
Does
Good.
any need to change
Do you think this is correct?
this one?
This part of the wall, it looks it's going down too much, no? Or it's correct?
This one?
No, this one. 1 second. This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Maybe. What do you mean?
I'm not sure, but maybe this. Sorry, don't move. Here. Maybe it's going down a little bit compared to the elevation. I'm not sure. You just asking.
Oh, cool. Maybe I change again.
Because you see, I think you did a mistake, because first of all, as you can see, this part is additional one. This part. This one. You see, if you compare here.
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying, right?
You mean the floor?
Not the floor, not the floor. Here, look to this green part. You compare it to this one.
Yeah, this one I know.
You see it?
Yes, yes.
So it's not the same.
Okay, I will change it.
How can I reduce some marks now when it comes to the day of judgment? Most of things are correct. Okay, good. I think most of the things are correct actually. But anyway, when I'm doing the correction, I will look closer. All right, I think that's all for you. Who is next?
Me.
This is Yan.
Yan Sing. Can you
Sir,
check my window?
Sir, can you check my windows? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. As you can see, still didn't model the roof and the
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so the windows, maybe just a second. I think the size of this window should be exactly, in terms of width, it should be exactly like this one.
Yeah.
But I can see it's a little bit smaller.
Yeah, I know, because the upside one I use the new 3D size, and the down I use the old one. I haven't changed it.
So you try to fix that. Can you move a little bit? Can you zoom in orbit?
Yes.
Learn how to orbit using shift and the middle of the mouse.
How? Oh.
What about this wall? Do you think we have this wall?
Yes, I got. Because I want to check the window first.
Okay, you know there is problems, yes?
Yeah, I know.
And this window, as you can see, even though if you do the measurement and you find it's overlapping with the floor, it's better to fix it. Because priority one is to make it things logic, because I know there is problems in 3D and 2D, but you should not just follow the drawings and your eyes are closed.
Okay.
Yeah, because here I can see the window is touching the floor. It's not possible. You have to take it back. Yeah, that window.
This window is not framed, but my window for frame. Is this okay?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And windows, as you can see, these windows, they are different from this.
I know, less the upside one.
You have to add the frames. I mean, you have to use small windows.
Okay.
And as you can see, there is one frame normally here. And if you compare, there is additional one frame, which means you have to reduce this window. I think you have to divide it by 2, so you create 2 together.
Divide it.
Yeah, you have to create 2 small windows there.
Okay.
Same thing for this window. For this window, it's touching the corner. It cannot be because there is a wall there. So you should try to fix that one. Maybe you move them a little bit.
Okay.
Should not be exactly in the corner here.
Yes.
You have to take notes maybe in order to remember, otherwise you'll forget.
Yes. I will see the record.
And as you can see, walls, they still have problem. There is opening here. You still didn't mention these windows. You didn't model them. And the roof. So you still have work to do.
Yeah, I know.
So you should not sleep today.
Yeah. And then.
So is that all? I think, yeah, you still, and these windows, as you can see, they are very different from these ones in terms of size.
Because the wall.
I explained this many times. Actually, this problem is happening because because this window is hosted in this wall. So it's not hosted in this wall. That's why this wall is still appearing, which means it's like you need in this area the wall. In this area, the wall should be big one like this, so you can host the windows without any problem. Any window, it should be hosted only in one wall. It should not be like this. There is another wall here, so it will not. It will overlap in this case. Same thing, it's overlapping here, which means you need to create a big wall like this in this area.
Okay.
So you have to try to fix these things. And as you can see, there is a window here. Cannot see it here.
Okay.
Don't say okay, say okay la.
Okay lah.
Is that all?
Yeah.
All right. Who is next?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Sir, can you check mine next, please? Yes, I can. So now, Sabrina, share your screen. So please, anybody wants me to see his work, please just comment in the chat, and after that, I will ask you to share your screen.
Yeah, so this is the work so far.
One second. Go back. I think you can see that. What is this window? Does it exist in the other building?
In the model, it doesn't have, but then when I was looking at the elevation, there was that window in the elevation, so I wasn't sure, because sometimes the elevation has like this one window, but the model does not have that window, so I wasn't sure.
You mean you're talking about AutoCAD elevation?
Yeah, the west elevation, the file, when I opened it, it had that window, so I thought I should put the window.
No. Just follow, to make things simple for the elevation, try to follow the 3D.
Okay.
If there is no window in the 3D, I know there is differences. Even if you start comparing with reality, it will be confusing. It will be many. So try for the elevation to follow the 3D. Basically, you have to remove that window.
Oh, okay. Hold on, let me make a note of that. Okay, and then yeah, so everything else.
Here. There is an opening here. Go back. Rotate back.
Here.
Rotate. More. Go back. Oh, one second. Try to zoom here. See, there is an opening here.
Oh, this is because like this is the stairs, so we didn't do the.
No, but now you still can connect the walls. You can, if you select the wall, you will see actually. Select the wall.
Place up to middle level.
When you select the wall, basically I can see here there is kind of rectangle here, but why we cannot see this? Anyway, you can edit the boundary here.
Close this.
Close. And you can select it and you move it up. You can even. It's better to do this in 2D. It's okay if you can click remove constraint. It's okay.
It's okay. I feel comfortable taking the risk now.
Click remove constraint. You can approve now.
Oh, okay.
Just click and join element. Click and join element. Do you see it? But still there is an open. That's why I told you it's better maybe to do it in 2D. So because in 2D we'll be able to see where did you. Same thing for this one.
Okay, I'll do it again later in 2D.
Okay, good. The floor, I'm not sure if here also the floor, I think it should go more until the end of the wall.
Until here?
I think so, yes.
Oh, okay.
Just take note, please. Take note.
Okay.
So.
Hold on. Okay. Yeah, so.
Did you write your name here?
Here? No.
Yeah. I mean, in the 3D view, if you go to the 3D, just don't select anything. So you can see the, go down. Did you write your name in the code of, go up. There is course code, I think. Go up, go up. Yeah. I said you have to write your name. You were not here?
I was here. I thought that was something that I could do later.
Anyway, if you think you can do, yes, it's up to you. Who is this Ji Shan is want to join now? I want some people to be absent, at least I do some work. Okay, I think overall it's okay.
I have another question.
I don't understand.
Sorry, what did you say?
I have another question. So like, for the roof, the shed on the roof, I do not know how to make that thing. The opening for what looks like a door. I don't know how to do that.
This one?
Yeah.
Simply, you just edit profile. When you edit profile, actually now anything, if you draw a square here, that square, it will be an opening. So basically, you need to know the dimension, if possible, of that opening, and you draw a square equal in size of that opening.
Okay.
And actually, this is one technique, but there is another technique. If you go disapprove.
Oh.
Now, if you go to architecture, sorry, there is this one, wall opening. You see it here?
Yes.
Did you select it?
Yes, I've selected it.
Now you can draw, try to draw anything, draw a rectangle. See, it has become an opening.
Oh, yes, it
But
does.
But you need to know the size, because I think the size is like this one, almost like this one.
Yeah. Does this mean like once is there a way for me to just do the opening first and then adjust the opening later on?
Yeah, this one you can adjust it. If you say now this opening, you can select it actually. Try to escape, click escape. Select. You see, you still can change the size of this opening.
Yes.
From all directions.
All right.
Anything else?
Let me see. So, one is not quite a question. It's just that like sometimes the like the model, the windows, or like the measurements are not the same, right? So we have to like adjust so it looks realistic because that's the priority, to make it look realistic, right?
Sorry, again, please. Sorry.
Because for the models,
Mm-hmm.
when you do it on the 3D one that we have to do,
Mm-hmm.
the measurements aren't exactly the same. Like for example, the level in between like two floors, sometimes the floors will be super thick, and if your window is really big, then it cannot fit because it will like intersect.
Yeah.
So like it's acceptable to adjust the window height, right? Even though,
Of course, yes. After doing this, after considering the dimension, if you see there is an issue, for example, as you mentioned, the window sometimes is touching the floor, that time you are allowed to move it a little bit. But in the beginning, you have to consider the measurements.
yeah, okay. So as long as we do the changes with consideration to the dimensions that we did, then it's okay.
Yeah. And I see also here also, I think there's an opening in your, if you zoom here. See, there is an opening.
Yeah.
You have to fix it.
Yes. Okay.
Is that all?
Yes.
Okay, good. So who's next? Sir, I have a question in my elevation. Okay, what is the question? So why, I don't know why many they don't open their cameras. It's really strange for me, you know that? Do you find it normal? You keep switching on cameras and it's like we are playing a game.
Sir?
Yes.
Myself is messy. I don't know why.
Your what?
My self elevation is
Okay.
messy. I
Please.
don't know why.
Please make it shaded to see things better. You know how to make it shaded?
How to do it?
From here. You see, please follow these styles. Okay. Click there, click. Select shaded. I think, as I mentioned, I think I need to make a quiz for you because I see, even though you do the modeling, but you forgot how to do the basic things. Some of you. You need the quiz to maybe 10 points or something. Okay. Well, first of all, normally there is glazing here behind the chimney, as you can see it here. So you have to do that. And there is another glazing here. I told you, in order to model this glazing, for example, the last one, this one, you have to host this big window in only one wall, which means you should not have like wall here and wall here, because if you host a window like this, it will be a problem because there is two walls. The window should be hosted only in one wall. Same thing as you did here, actually. This one is correct because you removed the wall and you did it in one wall, big wall. So since you did this, I think you can fix this area also here.
Need to remove the wall first in this
I
one,
think,
right?
yeah, you can maybe, yeah, you can select it and try to select the wall, this one. Actually, you see there is an arrow, you can even drag it up. Select it first, you didn't select, okay. As you can know, they are overlapping, which means you have to anyway. You need to delete one of the walls. Yeah, the still wall actually overlapping. Do endo, please. You have to select, delete maybe this one maybe, and the window will go also because it's hosted in that one. Or maybe you delete this one and you drag that the wall above. You drag it down. It's up to you anyway. You have to delete one more. Okay, no, delete this one. Delete this. It's up to you as you want. You have to delete one of them. You see, 1 second. It's good to activate this one. Activate this one. So this one will help you to select the elements by face. So even if you click in the middle of the floor, the roof or the floor or the wall, you will be able to select it. Okay, now you can select the wall easily normally. Actually, you deleted the wall already, I think. Did you delete it? Okay, if you deleted this wall here, you select this wall and you bring it down from that, yeah. Walls overlap one of the items. Can you show me the 3D because it's a little bit confusing, this elevation. Too many lines. Show me the 3D.
We do it.
No, okay, show me the 3D. Can you zoom? Well, normally there is another wall here also. Can you show me all your 3D? Not because I cannot see it all. Here, normally there is a wall like this one. It's like the railing. And I can see an opening here. You have to fix it actually. I don't know what is why there is opening. Maybe you still need to see the end of the video in CN regarding window modeling, because I explained how to model. You did it already, but you still have problems. I can even, for example, here there's an opening. I can see inside, as you can see. So basically, this wall, you have to move it. You have to edit the boundary of this wall.
Okay, later I move it.
So this wall, you have to move it until here. So you have to edit the boundary. I think you know how to edit the boundary because now there is an opening.
Oh, okay.
You see the opening, right? It's here, the opening. You can still see inside, which means you have to select the wall, and then there is this edit profile here. See it here up in the screen, edit profile. Can you see here? Up. So you will be able to move. You select that line and you move it. This one. Yeah, you can move it. After moving it, you have to select this remove constraint. Yeah, now you can approve. You can, if you think it's okay, you can approve. I think it's better now, but we have to find a way how to fix this also. Because still there is an opening here. And of course, here also you have to fix it. You still need to create the windows here and here and here. So you still have work to do, and windows here also, and here, and the roof of this one.
Okay.
And even the floor here actually should not be open here, because here there is the ground. I know, even though there is the stair, but it's the ground, so the floor should be built here. Here, yes. Here, yes, it should be open because people, they need to take the staircase. And I think there is a small window here also. So you still have work to do, actually. And of course, this wall is too high. Is that okay? Can you do that?
Okay, I will try to do that.
Okay, good luck. So who is next? Noor Maisara Binti Ahmed. Do you have any question? Is everything is okay?
No questions so far.
So everything is okay, right? Ah, good. What about Hamizul? Are you playing PUBG? Any questions? Hamizul?
No.
Okay, good, good. Bagos.